1985, when Bayliner gave birth to this boat, it looked like this picture I found of a different boat. I am not sure it looked exactly like this picture, but I can say it was brown based on leftover original carpet I found underneath the blue carpet it had when I got it. The pieced together story I have is that it was modified at least one time by an owner previous to the person I got the boat from. It had a smaller center seat in this factory version, and it could be on the swivel pole, which would match up with what the boat had when I got it. I decided not to go that route and instead run a bench box across the entire distance and then find a seat that was made to be stepped on. I replaced the two old bench seats with this pair of low back seats, which would take up less space when folded. I found a local supplier for this middle folding seat that was made to double as a step. I added 4 stainless steel cup holders with hoses that drain into the bilge. Since the original decking didn't drain well, I added 2 new floor drains. I used the storage space under the 2 seats for tools. And here's Calvin just basking in a job well done.